Introducing the Floatmax systems for LVMax. This product is a revolutionary product that's patented, so we can float commercial and residential luxury vinyl tile and plank over any hard surface substrate. Here's the real deal. It's the perfect solution for problematic substrates, such as OSB, high moisture slabs, painted floors, old ceramic floors, and plywood. It saves time and money, and it's environmentally friendly. Prior to installation, ensure the substrate is clean and free of debris, lumps, bumps, and holes to ensure a flawless installation. If necessary, use a leveling compound in all unleveled areas. LVMax has a black silicone line in the center of the tab for visual aid assistance, which will also resist cleaning chemicals and detergents. The adhesive bonding to the LVMax tab and the undercarriage of the LVT tile or plank consists of heavy-duty acrylics for ultimate bonding. Measure both length and width of the room to determine the best layout of your LVT to ensure you do not have small pieces around the perimeter. Snap a chalk line to determine a starting point. Open packages of tile or plank. Dry lay the tile or plank. Then lay the second piece next to the first, and so on. Here's the easy part. We're using a popular commercial luxury vinyl plank over an existing concrete substrate. Here's how. Slip the LVMax underneath the sides of the LVT. 3 along the sides and 1 on the end of the plank. Remember, sticky side up. The removable liner peels off easily and allows the silicone center as guideline for easy placement. Apply the sticky side to the underside of the flooring material. LVMax bonds with age to ensure a tight bond. Repeat the process as required. It's as simple as that. To finish, ensure all planks are level and inspecting for smoothness. Finally, install the baseboard and trim. Bring back the furniture. Okay, we're all done here. 1 hour, about 400 square feet. This busy location can get back to work. No disruptions, no lingering solvents, and no waiting time. See you on the next job. If you're not recommending LVMax for your LVT flooring products, just what are you recommending? And what are your competitors recommending? You should be thinking about Floatmax LVMax system. It's the only way to roll. Add value, cut costs and VOCs, and save time and money. LVMax. Just float it.